In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know the quickest ways to get a closer look at your text or zoom out to see the big picture without changing your actual document formatting or print size. First, let's use the zoom slider, which is the most visual way to adjust your view. Look to the bottom right corner of the Word window. You'll see a slider with a minus sign on the left and a plus sign on the right. Drag the slider to the right to zoom in for a closer, more detailed view. Drag it to the left to zoom out and see more of the page at once. If you prefer fine control, click the plus or minus buttons for small, precise adjustments. This is great when you want to fine-tune how much of your document you're seeing without jumping to a specific percentage. Next is the fastest shortcut. Hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel. Scrolling up zooms in, and scrolling down zooms out. This method is perfect when you're moving quickly through a document and want to adjust your view on the fly, especially during editing or proofreading. It's responsive, fluid, and tends to become second nature once you try it a few times. If you want more control or a specific zoom level, head to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Word. In the Zoom group, click the Zoom button to open the Zoom dialog. Here, you can choose preset options like 100%, which shows your document at actual size on your screen, page width, which expands the page to fill the available width for comfortable editing, or whole page, which shows the entire page at once. Useful for checking layout, spacing, or headers and footers. You can also type a specific percentage if you know the exact level you prefer, like 120% for slightly larger text or 75% to pull back and compare sections. A quick reminder, zoom only affects what you see on your screen. It doesn't change font sizes, margins, or how your document prints. It's purely a viewing preference, so feel free to adjust it as often as you need. That's it. Whether you like the hands-on slider, the quick Ctrl+ mouse wheel method, or the precise options in the View tab, you now have multiple ways to zoom in and out confidently in Microsoft Word.